Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways to moisturize dry natural hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it.
So I wanted to give a huge shout out to Hulu for collaborating with me on today's video.
If you guys are not familiar with my channel, I am on a weight gain journey, and they actually sent me over a brand new scale. And what's different about the scale is that it actually comes with the Bluetooth connection where you can download the app and keep track of your weight and the progress that you are making through the app. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about the product and how to connect it to your phone. And I also have a 40% off discount code that will be down below in the description box. And it's super easy. Once you download the app and turn on your Bluetooth, all you have to do is step on the scale, and then the scale will automatically connect to your phone and show you like how much you weigh. So this scale tracks your muscle, your weight, your VFAT, your BMI, your fat, your water, your bone, your calorie, and of course your actual weight. So once you download the app, you have to go through a little process of the app getting to know you. So it will ask you your sex, your height, your age, and all of those categories will come into play to show me whether or not I'm in a healthy weight range. So I actually am in a healthy weight range for my height. And it's like right in the middle. I'm also in a healthy body mass index range at 20.80, so that's very good as well. But I still do want to gain a little bit of weight as well as muscle, and just get in shape, because I feel like I'm not that much in shape. So if you're interested in this scale, I will put all of the information down below in the description box.
And another huge thank you to Hulu for collaborating with me on today's video.
So on to the hair portion of this video. If you have dry natural hair, it's actually very common. It's a common thing because natural hair and curly hair often is a lot drier than straighter textures. So the first thing that I would suggest for you to do is to incorporate a pre-poo into your routine. Hair, you can use whatever oil that you choose. There are so many different oils out there, and if you have thicker hair, I suggest for you to use a thicker oil like castor oil. If you have thinner hair, you can use a thinner oil like grapeseed oil or avocado oil. The next tip is to incorporate co-washing into your routine instead of shampooing. Now, I do not suggest to eliminate shampooing altogether. Of course, you need to shampoo your hair every now and then, maybe like every 2 weeks, or if you're a person who does a lot of protective styling, maybe you want to shampoo like once a month. I shampoo like every 1 to 2 weeks. I would never shampoo my hair every single day because that can be very drying on natural and curly hair. The next tip is to deep condition your hair with heat. This is a must for people who have low porosity hair like myself. As you know, if you have low porosity hair, it's very difficult for any type of product, any type of moisturizer to penetrate your hair strands. But when you incorporate heat into the process, it makes the products absorb into your hair strands. So therefore, that will make your hair a lot more hydrated, a lot more moisturized. So incorporating heat is definitely a must. The next tip is to incorporate the lock method into your routine, and lock method stands for liquid, cream, or oil, or leave-in, cream, or oil. And basically when you are doing your styling process, you want to go in that order with your products. And I definitely think that helps seal in the moisture. I like doing the lock method a lot, and it definitely keeps my hair hydrated. Next tip is to use a steamer on your hair. There are tons of steamers out there that are affordable that you can buy off Amazon. But if you do not own a steamer, like I personally do not own a steamer, I just use the steam from the shower, and that really helps. Most of the time when I am deep conditioning and I'm in a hurry and I don't want to use my heated cap, I will just deep condition my hair in the shower, and I will start off by putting all the deep conditioner in my hair, and then go ahead with my shower routine. And by the end of my shower, I can just rinse the deep conditioner out, and it's like a super easy and quick deep conditioning routine. And I do that a lot when I'm in a hurry or I'm in a rush, and it definitely helps, the deep conditioner penetrate into my hair strands. The The next tip is to moisturize your hair more frequently throughout the day. So if you have to carry around a water bottle with you or a spray leave-in conditioner that you DIY'd with you, you can definitely do that. It's nothing wrong with that. Like, just go to the bathroom and spray your hair, and it will be a quick refresher. And then of course you can moisturize at night before you go to sleep, and moisturize when you wake up in the morning. And it's really easy. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you incorporate these things into your routine, it becomes simple and easy, and it will definitely keep your hair hydrated. Next tip is to drink water. You are what you eat. You want to make sure you drink a lot of water so your body can stay hydrated, therefore your hair will be hydrated, as well as eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. That can definitely help you as well. Another thing that I definitely wanted to mention in this video is the difference between having coarse hair and having dry hair. Some people think just because their hair is coarse that it means that it's dry, when that sometimes is not the case. If you have naturally coarse hair and you feel your hair when it's 100% dry and it feels rough, then that could indicate that your hair is dry. But if you feel your hair and it feels soft, then that means that it's moisturized. It's going to have a little bit of shine to it. It's going to look very healthy. Then your hair is moisturized. But if it feels very brittle and rough, that means that it is dry. Just because you have coarse hair, that doesn't automatically mean that your hair is dry. And I know a lot of people get that confused. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell. The notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!